We were lucky to survive this game. They played a great game despite without having an import. We survived this game. It would have been really a big letdown if we wouldn't have won this game. Especially coming from an 18-point lead and almost could have been anybody's ball game. So we can sustain the momentum that we have right now. So we've just got to keep on working. So yeah, we just have to keep on working on our game, and hopefully that we can get to where we want to be by the end of the eliminations.
Coach, in-announce kanina ni Patricia Hison, may pabalik na daw si...
Well, yeah, palayo yung target date. But now, it's really, target date nila. It's really May. Diba? Mga 2 weeks ago pa yata. So May talaga yung target date. So until now, it's still May.
Wala pang definite.
Wala pang definite date.
Sabi niya, this week daw.
May. Kasi, actually, kasi ang inintay ko lang naman is pag nag 100% si Mark sa training niya doon at hindi nag-flare up yung tuhod niya, pwede na siya umuwi talaga. Maski nung 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, pwede na siya umuwi. But because nagsubok tayo ng 100% workout, nag-flare up yung tuhod niya. So, na-delay lang yun. As soon as hindi na nag-flare up yung tuhod niya, he can come up at any time actually. So that's what we're hoping for.
Report mo, huwag lang mabali.
I mean, siyempre, what more can you ask for naman? He passes the ball, he rebounds, he's very coachable. He does the things that's needed really. Of course, yeah. What more can you ask for an import?
Kahit medyo mali. Diyan ka na.
Yeah. Dito na kami. It's hard to find. Ang hirap maghanap ngayon eh. Ng 6'6" and a half na papasok sa 6'6".
Coach,